Before Emmanuel was seen by human eyes, before he was held in loving arms, before he was proclaimed in the temple, he was recognized, not by sight, but by the Holy Spirit. Elizabeth was elderly and righteous, a woman formed by years of silence and prayer. She waited for God's promise, for redemption, for hope to be fulfilled. In her old age, God granted Elizabeth a child, not for her glory, but to prepare a voice for the Lord. As she carried the one who would go before Emmanuel, Emmanuel himself drew near, hidden yet already present. When Mary entered her home, Emmanuel was still hidden in the womb. Yet the child within Elizabeth leapt for joy, and her heart was filled with the Holy Spirit. She cried out, "Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of your womb. Why is this granted to me, that the mother of my Lord should come to me?" Without seeing him, Elizabeth recognized Emmanuel. She became the first human voice to proclaim that God was already with his people. Before shepherds, before kings, before the temple witnesses. Saint Elizabeth stands with Mary, who carried Emmanuel, Joseph, who protected Emmanuel, John the Baptist, who leapt before Emmanuel, Simeon, who held Emmanuel, Anna, who proclaimed Emmanuel. She reminds us that Emmanuel is often recognized before he is seen. Saint Elizabeth teaches us this truth. God is present even when he is hidden. Blessed are those who recognize Emmanuel by faith.